Society has reached a new low. Selena Gomez Oreo cookies. Scan to unlock Selena's exclusive content. Huh. Broken cookie. Looks like a flaming heart. Let's give it a try. Definitely got hints of cinnamon in there. It looks like it's half cinnamon cream, half vanilla cream. Can't say I've had an Oreo like this. Let's try it in the milk. I think milk makes any Oreo taste better. Not sure why they picked Selena Gomez, but it's not a bad flavor. GadsbyGrubs score in this, I'm gonna go 6.8. In all honesty though, these aren't bad. That being said, I do think they're better than the Post Malone Oreos. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.